So you must have heard that yoga is very boring and slow. So today we are going to bust that myth. Yoga is not going to be boring and slow anymore if you try this new latest program on the block. So today I am going to talk about something that is really going to change your complete perception about yoga and how it works. Okay, so they're talking about Yoga Burn, which has been in the market for quite some time, but many people have not even heard of this. This program will bust the myth that yoga is very boring and slow. It can make you lean and thin in just 12 weeks flat. So, how it works? It simply works in the dynamic sequencing, which is the first phase of Yoga Burn program. It builds strong mind and body connection the first 4 weeks and prepares your mind to let your body work in that direction so that it starts burning fat in next couple of weeks. Then comes the transitional flow. This is where now your body is accustomed to the new way of life and your mind and body is ready to burn some fat really fast. So that is a transitional flow. Second phase of this program, everything has been divided in a very systematic way, especially made for your body and mind, of course. Then comes the mastery flow, where you're ready to really get into the shape you really deserve. So this phase will bring out the best out of your body and best out of your mind, and you are in full control of your body and mind, and now your yoga session is going to be spiced up and you command your muscles to achieve the desired results in no time. So what are you waiting for? Just hit the link button, hit the description, hit the link in the description given in the description, and read more about it. And if you like it, go ahead and start. The next 12 weeks are going to be life changing for you. Thank you for watching.